Meaning of desist.
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 Desist. The word desist means to stop or cease an action or behavior. It is often used in legal or formal contexts to describe a cessation of activity. When someone desists from something, they bring the activity to an end. This could be due to a legal order, a change of heart, or external factors. The result of desisting is typically a discontinuation of the activity. This may have positive or negative consequences depending on the situation, but it always involves a deliberate decision to halt the action.